Hey everyone, Happy New Year. I'm Patrick, the founder of RecipeKit. This video is going to be going over the new Recipe Analytics dashboard. Now, Recipe Analytics is a feature that I released a couple months ago. Over the past month or so, I've added a whole bunch of new features and data points that will really help you take advantage of RecipeKit as a whole to help you better create more useful recipes that engagement and help you sell more products at the end of the day. So if you haven't enabled Recipe Analytics yet, it's available for the advanced plan, business plan users. So if you haven't upgraded yet, now's a great chance to do so. So on the screen here, you can see we've got the new Recipe Analytics dashboard, and you're able to filter through different time periods to help you get a better idea of what's happening today versus last week, the last month, or the last year, etc. So right off the bat, you see we've got a lot of big stats here that just give you a good bird's eye view of total views, add to carts, and conversions. And then below that, we've got your top 10 recipes of this period listed by view count. And below that, we've got sort of engagement stats. So you've got the top rated recipes, the top shared recipes, and then the top printed recipes. So all of that is really good data to dial down on. But below that, we've got a really cool feature that I've been working on. Basically, this takes all of the data, all of the analytics data from this past 30 days, and uses AI to analyze it and give you sort of emerging trends about your recipes and about what your customers are liking and what they aren't liking. So this will give you tips about certain diets that your customers are reading more or printing more of, different products that are in particular getting more conversions, and just sort of seasonal suggestions based on your recipe content and opportunities that we've noticed that will really help you with your content creation to make the recipe creation process a whole lot easier. I'm excited for you guys to check this out. The UI and the design is still a work in progress, so if you have any ideas or any additional data points that you'd like to see, just let me know and I can add it into the next update. Thanks so much for using RecipeKit, and let me know if there's anything I can ever help with.